A visionary leader introducing Dr. Nicholas KOKKALIS. Dr. Nicholas KOKKALIS is a renowned computer scientist. He is a graduate of Stanford University. His area of expertise is human-computer interaction. Dr. KOKKALIS is a pioneer in the field of decentralized technology. He is also the co-founder of PiNetwork. Dr. KOKKALIS strongly believes in the power of blockchain. He envisions a world where everyone has access to digital currencies. This vision led him to create PiNetwork. He wanted to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to all. Dr. KOKKALIS's leadership has been instrumental in PiNetwork's growth. He has inspired a global community. He continues to guide PiNetwork towards its goal of wider adoption. The birth of PiNetwork, a new era of digital currency. The world of finance is evolving rapidly, and digital currencies are at the forefront of this transformation. PiNetwork was launched on Pi Day, March 14, 2019. This date was chosen to symbolize the infinite possibilities of this new digital currency. It was created by a team of Stanford graduates. These bright minds came together with a shared vision of democratizing access to cryptocurrency. They wanted to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just those with technical expertise or significant financial resources. PiNetwork aimed to simplify the mining process. Traditional cryptocurrency mining can be complex and resource-intensive, but PiNetwork sought to change that. This would allow anyone with a smartphone to participate. By leveraging the power of mobile technology, PiNetwork opened the doors to a broader audience. The core idea behind PiNetwork was simple yet powerful. It was about creating a more inclusive financial system. Users could mine Picoin using their mobile phones. This innovative approach made it possible for anyone to become a part of the cryptocurrency revolution. This eliminated the need for expensive hardware. Traditional mining often requires significant investment in specialized equipment, but PiNetwork bypassed this barrier. It also reduced the environmental impact of traditional mining. By using mobile phones, PiNetwork minimized energy consumption and promoted sustainability. PiNetwork quickly gained popularity. Its user-friendly approach and innovative concept attracted a large number of users in a short period. Millions of users joined the network. This diverse and growing community became one of PiNetwork's greatest strengths. This made it one of the fastest-growing cryptocurrency projects. The rapid growth of PiNetwork demonstrated the strong demand for accessible and sustainable digital currencies. PiNetwork's focus on community building set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. By fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration, PiNetwork created a unique and supportive ecosystem for its users. Mobile mining revolution. PiNetwork's accessibility. PiNetwork revolutionized cryptocurrency mining. It introduced a mobile-first approach. Users could mine Picoin on their smartphones. This eliminated the need for specialized hardware. It made mining accessible to a wider audience. The mining process on PiNetwork is simple. Users just need to open the PiNetwork app daily. They then tap a button to confirm their presence. This process generates Picoins for the users. It also helps secure the network. PiNetwork's mobile mining approach has several advantages. It is energy efficient. It is also easy to use. This has contributed to PiNetwork's widespread adoption. PiNetwork's core pillars: sustainability and inclusivity. PiNetwork is built on two core pillars: sustainability and inclusivity. The network aims to be environmentally friendly. It also strives to empower individuals globally. Traditional cryptocurrency mining consumes a lot of energy. PiNetwork's mobile mining approach reduces this energy consumption. This makes it a more sustainable alternative. Inclusivity is another key aspect of PiNetwork. The platform aims to provide equal opportunities for all. It allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. This fosters financial inclusion. It aligns with PiNetwork's vision of a decentralized future. Section 5. Mainnet launch and beyond. PiNetwork's journey to decentralization. PiNetwork achieved a significant milestone with its Mainnet launch. This event was celebrated by the community worldwide, marking a new era for the network. The Mainnet launch is not just a technical upgrade, it represents the transition from a controlled environment to a decentralized one, where the community plays a crucial role in governance and development. The Mainnet launch marked a crucial step towards decentralization. It signifies the network's readiness to operate independently, without relying on centralized control. This step is essential for building trust and ensuring the network's long-term sustainability. It allowed Pi coin holders to use their coins for transactions. Users can now send and receive Pi coins seamlessly, making it a functional currency within the ecosystem. This functionality is a significant leap towards making Pi a widely accepted form of digital money. It also enabled the development of decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Pi network. Developers are now empowered to create innovative solutions that leverage the Pi blockchain, fostering a vibrant developer community. The PiNetwork team has been working diligently to enhance the network's functionality. Their efforts are focused on improving scalability, security, and user experience, ensuring that the network can support a growing number of users and applications. They have introduced features like the Pi browser and Pi wallet. The Pi browser allows users to access decentralized applications directly, while the Pi wallet provides a secure way to manage Pi coins. These features enhance the user experience. They make it easier for users to interact with the Pi network, whether they are making transactions, exploring dApps, or managing their digital assets. They also provide users with greater control over their Pi coins. With these tools, users can track their transactions, manage their holdings, and ensure the security of their assets. The Mainnet launch has opened up new possibilities for PiNetwork. It has created opportunities for partnerships, collaborations, and the development of new services that can benefit the entire community. It has paved the way for the creation of a vibrant ecosystem. This ecosystem is designed to support a wide range of activities, from financial transactions to social interactions, all powered by the Pi blockchain. This ecosystem aims to empower individuals. By providing them with the tools and resources they need, PiNetwork is helping users take control of their financial future. It also aims to provide them with innovative financial solutions. These solutions are designed to be accessible, user-friendly, and tailored to meet the needs of a diverse global community. Section 6. Pi coin price analysis, current landscape and future projections. Pi coin is currently in its enclosed mainnet phase. This phase is crucial as it allows the network to operate in a controlled environment, ensuring stability and security before it opens up to the broader market. This means it is not yet listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Without being listed, Pi coin cannot be traded publicly, which limits its liquidity and market exposure. As a result, its price is not publicly traded. This lack of public trading means that its value is not determined by market forces but rather by internal metrics and community consensus. However, there is significant speculation regarding its potential value. Enthusiasts and early adopters are optimistic, often comparing it to other successful cryptocurrencies that started with little to no value. Some experts believe that Pi coin has the potential to reach significant valuations. They argue that its unique consensus algorithm and strong community support could drive its value up once it becomes publicly tradable. They cite its large and active user base as a key factor. Others remain cautious, pointing out that many cryptocurrencies have failed to achieve their projected potential despite initial hype. They emphasize the need for wider adoption and exchange listings. Without these, Pi coin may struggle to gain the necessary traction to become a mainstream cryptocurrency. The future price of Pi coin remains uncertain. It is influenced by a myriad of factors, making it difficult to predict with any degree of accuracy. It is subject to various factors. These include technological advancements, market demand, and the overall health of the cryptocurrency market. These factors include market sentiment. Public perception and investor confidence can significantly impact the value of any cryptocurrency. They also include regulatory developments. Changes in government policies and regulations can either boost or hinder the growth of cryptocurrencies like Pi coin. It is important to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Understanding the risks and potential rewards can help investors make informed choices in this volatile market. Section 7. Challenges and concerns, navigating the uncertainties. PiNetwork has faced its share of challenges and concerns. One concern is the lack of transparency regarding its underlying technology. Some critics have also raised concerns about the project's centralized control. Another challenge is the delay in listing Pi coin on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This delay has created uncertainty among some users. It has also fueled speculation about the project's legitimacy. The PiNetwork team is actively addressing these challenges. They are working on improving transparency. They are engaging with regulators to ensure compliance. They are also working towards securing exchange listings. Section 8. The future of PiNetwork. Potential and possibilities. Despite the challenges, PiNetwork holds significant potential. Its large and engaged user base provides a solid foundation for growth. The team's focus on building a robust ecosystem is also promising. PiNetwork has the potential to revolutionize several industries. It can transform payments, it can change social media, it can even change how we interact with technology. The success of PiNetwork depends on various factors. These factors include its ability to address current challenges. They also include its ability to adapt to the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Section 9. Conclusion: PiNetwork's enduring legacy. Dr. Nicholas KOKKALIS' vision for PiNetwork is ambitious. It is inspiring. PiNetwork aims to empower individuals. It also aims to create a more inclusive financial system. The future of PiNetwork remains to be written. However, one thing is certain: PiNetwork has already made a significant impact. It has sparked a global conversation about the potential of cryptocurrency. It has also made cryptocurrency accessible to millions worldwide. Whether PiNetwork achieves its lofty goals remains to be seen. However, its journey is a testament to the power of innovation. It is also a testament to the enduring human spirit.